gentlemen, you hope you had a wonderful day because you enjoyed this chef's dinner this evening. Tell us, ladies and gentlemen, how is your dinner this evening? Thank you. After a long season in New York, we are very happy to back the Galveston in Texas, and your restaurant team to sing for you again. It's called Deep in the Heart of Texas.
Yeah.
Very good. And now, the song which everybody knows stands for freedom.